This video is an environmental investigation into the Italy PFAS disaster and the Maharashtra controversy, focusing on Miteni S.p.A, Laxmi Organic, and the pollution outsourcing debate involving PFAS, forever PFAS are per and polyfluoroalkyl substances. They are called forever chemicals because they never naturally break down in the environment and accumulate in the human body. Common health risks include cancer, liver and kidney damage, and hormonal and reproductive disorders. Due to these risks, many developed countries have strict regulations or bans on PFAS. Miteni S.p.A, a chemical company in Vicenza, Italy, caused Europe's largest PFAS pollution case. Their production contaminated groundwater and drinking water, affecting hundreds of thousands of people in the Veneto region, with contamination hidden for decades. In June 2025, an Italian court delivered a historic judgment. 11 former executives were convicted with a total of 141 years in prison for environmental poisoning and public health endangerment, leading to the collapse of Miteni's global credibility. Miteni went bankrupt in 2018. The company's assets, including chemical machinery, PFAS-related patents, and industrial technology, were auctioned. This bankruptcy led to the next phase of the controversy. In 2019, Laxmi Organic Industries Ltd, through its subsidiary Viva Lifesciences, legally purchased Miteni's assets. The machinery and technology were subsequently shipped from Italy to India. These assets were reassembled in the Lote Parshuram MIDC in the Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra, India. The Maharashtra plant is currently operational, producing chemicals, which the company claims are non-PFAS. Public concern and political focus began due to the proximity of local villages, agriculture, and water sources. MLA Rohit Pawar and activists alleged the use of convicted PFAS-linked machinery from Italy, raising the risk of hazardous chemical emissions. The argument is that Europe's pollution is shifting to India, popularizing the term pollution outsourcing or pollution colonialism. The Maharashtra Pollution Control Board launched an investigation. The industry's minister stated that clearances are being checked, and there is no current proof of PFAS production. Monitoring and inspection are ongoing, awaiting a final report. Laxmi Organic Industries clarified that they are not producing PFAS and are in full compliance with Indian environmental laws, utilizing proper effluent treatment plants and emission control systems. The company labeled the allegations as misleading. A major issue is India's regulatory gap, as there are no specific national standards or defined drinking water limits for PFAS, making monitoring and enforcement difficult. Experts warn that an Italy-like crisis could be repeated in India. This case highlights the conflict between environmental safety and industrial growth and corporate accountability across borders. It also emphasizes the role of developing countries as cheap production hubs with weak regulatory risks. Ultimately, this case underscores the need for policy reform and highlights the demand for strong PFAS regulation. The Italy PFAS disaster serves as a warning sign. The transfer of technology must come with the transfer of responsibility. Transparency, regulation, and public health protection must be non-negotiable. The question remains: development at what cost?